Hello everyone, myself Pavitra Vyas from Department of Information Science and Engineering, Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, I'm going to explain about a topic called HIVE and PIG from a subject called Big Data Analytics. Let's define what is HIVE and PIG. Definition of HIVE in Big Data Analytics. HIVE is a data warehousing infrastructure which is built on top of Hadoop that provides a high-level interface to query and analyze large data sets which is stored in Hadoop Distributed File System, that is HDFS. It allows users to write queries using a language called HiveQL, which is similar to SQL and translates those queries into MapReduce jobs that can be executed on Hadoop. Hive provides a schema on read approach, allowing users to structure and organize their data using tables, partitions, and buckets, making it easier to perform complex data analysis tasks. Definition of PIG in Big Data Analytics. PIG is a high-level scripting language which is designed for analyzing large data sets in Hadoop. It provides a platform for expressing data transformations and analysis tasks which are using a language called PIG Latin, which is similar and more expressive than writing MapReduce jobs very directly. PIG Latin scripts are translated into a series of MapReduce jobs that can be executed on Hadoop, allowing the users to perform data manipulations, filtering, and aggregation operations very easily. Now, let's compare and contrast Hive and PIG as a high-level languages for Hadoop. Here is an introduction. Hive and PIG are high-level languages that provide a very simplified way of working with Hadoop. Both Hive and PIG are designed to make it easier for the developers to write complex MapReduce operations. However, there are some key differences between Hive and PIG in terms of their syntax, data processing capabilities, and ease of use. Syntax. Hive uses a SQL-like syntax, making it easy for the developers with SQL experience to write the queries. PIG uses a scripting language called PIG Latin, which is more expressive and flexible compared to SQL. The syntax of PIG Latin allows the developers to write custom functions and to perform complex data transformations very easily. Data processing. Hive is primarily used for structured data processing and is optimized for handling large datasets. PIG, on the other hand, is designed for processing both structured as well as unstructured data, making it more versatile. PIG provides a rich set of built-in functions and operators that enable the users to perform advanced data transformations and analytics. Ease of use. Hive is easier to use for developers with a SQL background as the syntax is very similar to SQL. PIG requires some learning curve as it uses a scripting language, but it offers more flexibility and control over data processing. Hive provides a very user-friendly interface called HiveQL, which allows the users to interact with Hadoop using familiar SQL commands. Conclusion. Hive and PIG are both high-level languages for Hadoop that simplify data processing tasks. Hive is suitable for structured data processing and is easier to use for the developers familiar with SQL. Pig is more versatile and can handle both structured and unstructured data, but it requires learning Pig Latin scripting language. Now, let's move on for the examples of how to use Hive and Pig for data processing. Introduction to Hive and Pig for data processing. Hive is a data warehousing infrastructure that provides a high-level query language, HiveQL, to process and analyze the structured data in Apache Hadoop. Pig is a scripting platform which is used for analyzing large data sets. It uses a language called Pig Latin to express the data transformations and queries. Both Hive and Pig are designed to work with big data and are widely used in the industry for data processing tasks. Examples of data processing with Hive. Example 1. Data analysis. Using HiveQL, you can write queries to analyze large data sets. For instance, you can calculate the average age of the customers in a retail data set by writing a simple query that aggregates and computes the average. Example 2. Data transformation. Hive allows you to transform the data by applying various built-in functions and operators. For example, you can use the built-in function to convert string data to uppercase or lowercase or extract specific substrings from a column. Example 3. Data joining. Hive supports joining multiple tables based on common columns. You can perform inner joins, outer joins, and to combine both from the different tables. Examples of data processing with Pig. Example 1. Data filtering. In Pig Latin, you can filter data based on specific conditions. For instance, you can filter out all the records where the age is below a certain threshold or where a specific keyboard appears in a text column. Example 2. Data aggregation. Pig Latin allows you to group and aggregate data using functions like sum, count, average, etc. For example, you can calculate the total sales for each product category by grouping the data by category and summing the sales values. Example 3. Data cleaning. With Pig, you can clean and transform messy or inconsistent data. For example, you can remove duplicate records and replace missing values or normalize data formats using Pig Latin's functions. Hive versus Pig. Pros and cons. Hive pros. Hive provides a familiar SQL-like syntax, making it easier for SQL users to transition. It offers a wide range of built-in functions and supports complex queries. Hive also integrates well with other tools in the Adobe ecosystem. Hive cons. Hive can have slower query execution times when compared to the Pig due to its reliance on MapReduce. It may not be suitable for real-time or interactive data processing tasks. Pig pros. Pig offers a more flexible and expensive scripting language, allowing for complex data transformations. Pig can easily handle unstructured as well as semi-structured data. It has better performance for interactive workflows. Going on to the conclusion, Hive and Pig are powerful tools for data processing in the Hadoop ecosystem. Hive is well suited for SQL users, and it provides a familiar interface for data analysis and transformation. PIG offers more flexible and is better suited for complex data processing tasks and unstructured data. Here I complete with my topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.